Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So in today's video, we're going to be unboxing the S25 Ultra. Just came into the mail today. Not feeling this packaging. Alright, first impressions. Packing is 10 out of 10. Yeah, it's like wrapped 500 times. But yeah, the box is very slim. So I'm guessing we don't get as much bricks. So yeah, time to open it up. Box looks pretty nice. S25 Ultra. So, alright. Let's see what this is about. Satisfy. Got two pull tabs. One at the bottom, one at the top. So this is the Titanium Gray. So we're gonna see what that color is about, because when you see it in person, it can look different than what you see. Okay, so actually looking at the phone and the color, I'm feeling it. So I feel like it's every video that I see, it's really hard to tell like what color the phone is, because some look really gray. In some angles, like look at this angle in this video right now, like my camera is picking it up and it looks very gray. Looks really gray at this angle, and then you go this angle, hold on, right here. Then you go to this angle, and then this angle looks like kind of like a gold tan. Then you go to this angle, and then it's a different color. So yeah, I want to say just depending on the angle and the lights hitting it, it can look like a totally different color phone. It can look like the titanium silver, but then also look like titanium gray / gold. So I'm gonna say it's a multicolor phone. So, how frick do you take it out? Well, first impressions, it feels really good in the hands. I like it more than the S24 Ultra. Just from my minimum use of playing with it in a Best Buy store, because the 24 has like the curved edges, and then they went back to the flat back, and then also the front, so you don't have to worry about that when you're putting like a screen protector. So it'll be more screen protector friendly. So I like, oh yeah, and I get this back. So I've been rocking this phone. So this is the S22 Plus, and I've been rocking this since 2022, since 2022 when this came out. So I've been rocking this for a hot minute. Honestly, I still like this phone and I enjoy this phone, and battery life has been really good for me since they did like updates and stuff to it. So still enjoying that phone. However, this thing is a beast, so I'm very excited. So, and I'm excited to have this back. This is one of the things I miss, is having the S Pen, so I just want to pull that out. So yeah, this is the S Pen. Hold on, it's like too small to like pick up on the camera. Yeah, so now I can just click this all day at work, piss off all my coworkers. So yeah, I'm looking forward to this, taking notes that I'll never take. So yeah, let's go. Yeah, but all the Squirtles I can draw. Alright, I gotta do this one for the boys. Nice. Okay, let's go back to the box and then see what we have in the box. So I'm gonna set this off to the side. Alright, back to the box. I think there's some other stuff in here, such as like probably the little guy. You know, who's the little guy? Yeah, this guy. So yeah, we got that guy, which I'll just keep in the box for now until I need to do all my stuff. So yeah. Alright, you get your quick start guide that you never read, and then you get this that you'll need to take out your stuff from your old phone to put in a new phone. So yeah. cable. That's pretty much it. Yeah, you don't get a charging brick anymore. So this is C to C. I don't think I have a C to C, so for now I'll probably just be rocking like wireless charging. So I'll definitely need to pick up a C to C like charging brick for my phone. That's just something to keep in mind. And yeah, and it doesn't come with any phone cases if you're expecting to get a phone case. So don't expect to get a phone case. But yeah, that's pretty much it for the unboxing. That's all you get, and that's what it comes with. Wow, this looks really beautiful. The S25 Ultra Titanium. This is a titanium gray. Yeah, this is all you get, minus this phone. This is my current phone that I'm rocking. So yeah, that'll wrap it. That'll wrap it up for today's video. Look forward to future videos on this channel about this phone. I'm probably gonna, after I get everything like moved over to this phone, I'll do like a first impression. Let me know what you guys think of the S25 Ultra, and also particularly this color. I think it's actually a pretty unique color, considering that the color can change in different angles of light. So I think that's really cool. It kind of has like a rainbow looking effect if you, depending on how you look at it. It can be a little rainbowy. So I think that's pretty neat. Other than that, see you guys next time, and peace. Bye.